How to fix music not showing in Messenger notes in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open your App Store and then search here Messenger. First of all, check your Messenger updates. If your Messenger have any update, then update your Messenger. If you have any update, then here you can see the option update. After update your Messenger, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open your settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on it and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Messenger. Now click on it. Now here you can offload your Messenger app. After offload your Messenger app, then reinstall app. After reinstall your app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.